Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best thermal imager multimeter you can own today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the B-Side SH7. Let's get started. Product feature: 2-in-1 versatility. The B-Side SH7 is a versatile tool that combines infrared thermal imaging with traditional multimeter functions, allowing you to visualize temperature anomalies and take electrical readings with just one device. Non-contact safety. Its non-contact temperature measurement feature helps you avoid direct contact with dangerous high-temperature parts, significantly enhancing your safety during every inspection. Rapid troubleshooting. This tool allows for the quick detection of hotspots, which helps you pinpoint problems much faster and reduces the time you spend troubleshooting complex issues. Electrical maintenance. It is invaluable for identifying irregularities in transformers, high-voltage distribution boxes, and connectors, helping you catch overheating issues before they escalate. Automotive care. Use it to diagnose circuit board hotspots and abnormal battery pack temperatures in vehicles, ensuring your car's electrical system stays in top shape and preventing unexpected failures. Home efficiency. Easily locate heat leakage in pipes, detect circuit overloads, and find uneven heating patterns to resolve energy inefficiencies and electrical problems around your house promptly. Comprehensive inspections. By integrating advanced thermal imaging with essential measurement functions, it serves as a complete tool for power equipment, industrial, automotive, and home maintenance tasks. Pros. The biggest plus is the peace of mind you get knowing you're safe while working. The ability to see heat invisible to the naked eye feels like having a superpower. It's incredibly lightweight and intuitive, making it a joy to use for DIYers and pros alike. You'll love how it simplifies complex problems, turning hours of guesswork into a few minutes of clear visual confirmation. Cons. While it's a powerhouse for most tasks, the screen size might feel a bit compact if you're used to large, dedicated tablets. Additionally, it takes a moment to switch between the thermal and multimeter modes, which requires just a little patience during busy jobs. Final thoughts. Owning a tool like this is about more than just measurements. It's about protecting your home and family. Whether you're fixing a car or checking an old fuse box, the B-Side SH7 gives you the confidence to handle any challenge. It's a reliable partner that looks out for your safety while helping you work smarter. You'll truly feel empowered every time you pick it up to solve a new mystery. Don't miss out on this game changer. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video. See you in the next one.